Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guaranty RV. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you call in, ask for the coach. My number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2015 Tiffin Breeze diesel motorhome, 32-footer. Let's go inside and take a look around. You can see there's a lot of light back here, windows on both sides, great ventilation at night. This is a drop-down TV here. When you're watching TV at night, it swings down so you can watch it nice and easily. Over here, I'm going to let my cameraman come in on my side over here. Here's the closet right here. Lots of drawers down below. Again, this is a 32-foot coach. Here's the privacy door for the bedroom. We're going to switch places again, go down the hallway. Got closet space right here also with 3 drawers. Okay, right here we've got our shower. Shower is complete with a seat. Seat's right over here on the right side. Might be a little hard to see. All right, now we've got our bathroom. I'm going to get out of the picture. Nice little bathroom with some storage and a nice vanity. All right, moving out into this area, we do have another privacy door. So if someone's back here using the shower, they can shut that off. Okay, over here you see we've got some storage here and a pantry area. This goes way back in. We've got a residential refrigerator with an ice maker. Nice size refrigerator. Across the hall here we've got a TV here. Double sink, stainless steel sink. 2 burners, stainless steel, easy to take care of. We've got a microwave convection. Storage up above, goes back in there quite a ways. Storage down below, enough space for a garbage can, which is important. And some big drawers here. 3 of them. On this side of the coach, we've got a nice couch. It's going to convert into a bed. Storage up above. Look at this dinette area over here. This is also very comfortable when you're watching TV. It's padded up all the way around. So this coach can be, this table can be turned around. You can add more seats right here if you wanted to. Bring in a couple of lawn chairs. We got a woofer underneath there for the home theater. And on this side, a little bit of storage area there, not a lot, but a little bit. Every little bit helps. As we move into the cockpit, coach has auto leveling. Nice little coach, 32-footer, you can go anywhere. Sunshade, privacy shade up front. Alloy wheels. Outside TV. Okay, got your inverter there. Side opening cabinets. Down here below, the bay doors, side opening bay doors I should say, goes all the way across. Got a water tank here, looks like, a filter. Got some drains for different tanks. Chassis batteries and a little bit of storage. Okay, we got a max force motor in this coach. Backup camera is all set up to tow already. A little bit of storage there. 50 amp right here. Looks like it was already equipped with a surge protector. We have a outdoor shower. It's your clean out bay here. This is storage that went all the way across from the other side. More storage here. You can see that's all the way across also. There's your propane. Drive right up, they'll fill you up. This is your electronics bay right here. Side cameras right here on this coach. Nice mirrors. If you have questions about this coach or any other coach, call the coach at 208-250-8625 here at Guaranty RV. It's been a pleasure today, even though it's so warm out here. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.